You can always tell when we've had a little warm weather because John Belsky is the first person I know to get a tan. It just happens, John.
Just checking on the weather outside.
Working in the garden today.
Yeah, you're right. Been doing a lot of yard work, as everyone else has been doing the last several days. Well, I'll tell you what, it's kind of muggy out here tonight. I know it's not supposed to feel muggy in April. Is this a sign of a long, hot summer coming up? Well, not necessarily. But the weather a little unusual for this time of year. Right now in Louisville, our temperature is 74 degrees with a light south breeze about 6 and the humidity up there at 79%. Topped out at 87 today. That's the warmest it's been so far this year. 65 this morning. Hottest in the country was 101 at Laredo, Texas. Coldest up in South Dakota. Custer, 17 degrees. Health weather numbers, talk about the tree pollen again. It's that time of the year. 1193 the count there, very high. Oak trees still the main problem maker with that. And speaking of problem makers, look at this. Bismarck, North Dakota, 8 inches of snow today. They have now had over 90 inches for the season. A typical winter up there is about 35 inches of snow, and it just keeps coming and coming and coming in the northern plains. And on the other hand, we are on the warm side of this big weather system. Temperatures across the east half of the country, warm just about everywhere. We're right up there with some of the hot spots, but Richmond, Virginia at 93, and even Buffalo all the way up to 84 degrees this afternoon. Well, with this big contrast in temperatures, you get severe weather, and there's been a number of tornadoes so far this afternoon and this evening, including 6 in Texas, a couple in Missouri, Illinois, also down in Mississippi. New tornado watch has just been issued for central Indiana. This goes from Bloomington and Nashville on northward right up to the Indiana-Michigan border. Here's the main line of thunderstorms moving through St. Louis. There's been some wind damage in St. Louis, also several tornado warnings there. Notice the back end of this line trying to develop a little further south. If it does, it may sweep through here late tonight. Right now, it's not showing any signs of that. It looks like the main shot of thunderstorms tonight will stay across central and northern Indiana. But we'll stick around for a while, keep an eye on this, and see if this line develops a little further south. And for tomorrow, another repeat with a front stall out in the area. Another shot of some thunderstorms, possibly severe late afternoon, more likely tomorrow night here in Louisville. All right, for the rest of the night, we'll call a 40% chance of thunderstorms, a very late low of 65. Then for tomorrow, back to the mid-80s again with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. And thunderstorms again for Thursday with a high of 83 degrees. And cooler weather after that. Friday through Sunday will be in the 60s with still some showers or some thunderstorms in the weather picture. So warm the next couple of days, but the weather kind of unsettled, it looks like, right through the upcoming weekend there.
Yeah, big change there from
looks like it.
to Friday.
Yeah, it's called a cold front moving through.
No sun tanning weather there then.
Not Friday, no.
Thanks, John.
All righty.